Hey guys, it's Tony. What's going on? I've had a couple people ask me about my RKT position, if I'm still holding, if I sold, what happened. I'm still holding, down about $8,000 on my RKT position. Like I told you guys, I'm selling weekly calls to kind of output the losses, right? The last time I actually sold the calls were I picked up 918 bucks as for credit. You guys know I like selling calls on all the positions that I have, RKT being just one of the bigger positions that I own, but I am selling calls to offset the losses. Currently, right now, I am on a um, what is it called? On an RKT $22.50 call. Once this call drops to about like anywhere between anywhere to 1, 2, or 3 cents, I generally tend to buy back all the calls and then I just resell them again for a later date. Um, which I do think RKT, if it keeps going sideways like this, the decay is going to kill it. And I'm going to end up basically buying back all the calls that I sold for like a 98% gain or something, right? I'll probably sell some more, like maybe $23, $24 calls, another like 3 weeks out or whatever, and just keep doing it over and over, right? But yeah, just wanted to update you guys. Still holding RKT. It's still going to be consolidating, possibly trading flat. I mean, I thought this thing was going to go to like $24 again, but it's being pushed down fairly decently by like institutions and stuff. So all I'm doing right now for RKT is just selling calls, holding my position. I do still believe in this company 100%. There's no reason why I should sell it. It's basically my long-term Tesla investment. Like not portfolio, but just just what I think is actually going to hit in the next year or two. So I'm just kind of holding for right now and selling calls to pick up like a weekly, anywhere between like $500 to like $1,000 on RKT for the premium and stuff. But yeah, that's just a quick update on RKT.